Your question is a sector AOB of a circle with center O with radius r centimeter and sector angle pi by 3 radians. An inner circle of radius r small r centimeter touches the three sides of the sector. Show that r capital R is equal to 3 small r and area of inner circle by area of a sector that is equal to 2 by 3. That we have to go for that. Now, so this is your diagram. So what they have told, thus we will write that only. They have told a sector AOB of a circle with center O. So this is your sector. So that is AOB. So this is the sector, the outer one. So that is the sector with center O. This is the center. Next, with radius r centimeter. That means from here to A is r centimeter. This is also r centimeter. Next, and the sector angle is pi by 3. This angle is pi by 3 radians. And inner circle of radius r centimeter. This circle is of radius r, small r centimeter. So now we will go for the construction. Center to this is your r. Center to this is again your r. Center to this point is again r. Now OA is the tangent to the radius. This OB is the tangent and r is the radius. So they are perpendicular to each other. That means here it will form 90 degree, here also it will form 90 degree. Now, next what we have to do? Just we have to name them. So this is A, this is B, sorry. This is your B. This comes your C point. And we will join this by extending this line. So this point is your D point. D point. So now understand this. So this is your R, this is also your R. Again, now, so see this, we have bisected this. That means this angle is your pi by 6 and this is also pi by 6. Pi by 3 is 60 degree, pi by 6 is 30 degree now. So now we will find out, and we know that this is 90 degree. So this is your hypotenuse from here to here. And this center we will take it as O dash. Now we will find out O dash. So how it will be? O dash. How it will be? This is 90 degree and this angle is this. So we will go for sine. So that means sine pi by 6. Sine pi by 6, that is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is r. By hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is what? This O dash. Now, what is sine pi by 6? Sine 30 degree. Sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. That is equal to r by O dash cross multiplied. We will get O dash is equal to 2r. So this is your 2r from here to here. And first thing what we have to find out, r is equal to 3r. So you can see OA is equal to OC is equal to OB. They are the radius of the same circle, na? The arc sector. So now we can say OA is equal to OB is equal to OC. So what is your OC now? OC is equal to OO dash plus O dash C. OO dash plus O dash C. So OO dash is what? 2R. Plus O dash C is your R. So we will get 3R. So now this OC is what? R. So now we can say capital R is equal to 3R. We have proved first one. Next, what they have told? Area of inner circle by area of sector. So area of a circle is what? Pi R square. Just we will write this first. Area of circle by area of sector. Area of circle is pi R square, small r square, by area of a sector is what? Theta by 2 pi R square. So theta is how much? Pi by 3. So here we will write pi by 3 divided by 2, that means 2 will come here only, into R square, but R is capital, that is equal to 3R. 3R square is what? 9R square. So here we will get 9R square. Now see this. This pi by R square, how we will write? Pi by R square by 1. Pi R square by 1. By this one. Then 9 pi R square by 6. 9 pi R square by 6. Go for outer to outer, inner to inner multiplication. That means this to this and this to this. Always write outside one first on the top. So what it will be? 6 into pi R square is 6 pi R square. Pi 9 pi R square. 9 pi R square. Now pi R square gone. 6 by 3 reduced by 2, sorry 3, so what you will get? 2 by 3. So this we have to show it, hence we can write hence proved. Hence proved. So like this we have to solve it out.